Hey guys, I hope doing well. To be honest with you, all now is for 5 days that I'm working with Z80 processor. It is not new. It is for 1998, I believe. And now I made my second project over Z18. As you can see, this is eeprom relay. You can see we have three parts here. The first part is the Z18 IC. Second is eeprom, as you can see. And the third one is 80 to C55. It is something like IO. And with IO, we can control input and output, digital and analog mode. I should say you all, I checked some videos. The MS-DOS old version will running with this IC and with 6 MHz oscillation frequency. It is able to boot the MS-DOS and over serial port is able to track the MS-DOS prompts very well. Let's talk a little bit about this project and let's test this one. So here is, this side is the oscillation part, will make 1 Hertz. The reason to use the 1 Hertz is the time and the delay to check the indicators, the LED status, because of when the oscillation speed gonna be more than 2-3 Hertz, we cannot feel exactly the cycle and we will miss the cycle of reading and writing with the eeprom. So I replaced this input output IC with one arduino Uno, and with the output of this arduino I will exactly decode the eeprom inside the project. So the first IC is oscillator like this. It is 74HC14 to make 1 Hertz, and also the second part of this Schmitt trigger IC is reset push button exactly here to send the reset pulse to the all of ICs here, like the Z18 reset, as you can see, pin 26, or the input on output like this, the pin 35 RST. So the second part of this IC, the Schmitt trigger IC, is for the reset pulse to the other part of the project. Very well. So this side is one eeprom. The pulse will be sent from the Z18 pin A0 to pin A15, and one by one will transfer the response to the pin D0 to D7, exactly 8 bit, and we will know each 8 bit can make 1 byte, and finally this will give us 256 bytes finally to use the eeprom. So I will connect the power to this project to check exactly the project output. This is boot up. As you can see, when the eeprom booting up, 4 times blinking, and then go to read the eeprom. As you can see, the Arduino will log the output of the project, and we will connect the project to the